the glass, knife, and the fruit. Don't forget to wash all the fruit and fill. Step 2. Cut up the fruit into pieces and put them in the glass. Step 3. Pour some water into the glass. The water for the 24 hours. Maybe that's I can say is the video. Thank you for watching.